The bodies of a man and a young boy were found at separate properties in Cherry Orchard and Ballyfermot and Clondalkin in West Dublin this morning. Gardaí and emergency services were first called to a house in Cherry Orchard at around 8:30 this morning, where the body of a 48-year-old man was found in a shed at the back of the property. There were then follow-up inquiries which were carried out shortly afterwards, and the body of a boy, believed to be 11 years old, was found at a house in Clondalkin. Now here, the deceased pair are father and son, and it's understood that the young boy suffered a violent death and that the man then took his own life.
Barry, how are local people reacting? They must be devastated by this.
Yeah, look here, I spoke to lots of people who know this young boy and this man throughout this afternoon, and there's just profound sadness in Cherry Orchard and Clondalkin this evening. I spoke to a number of neighbours of the young boy here this afternoon in Clondalkin, and they told me they just feel numb and cannot believe what has happened. Several people here told me that they would have known the young boy and would have seen him out on the street regularly. And Ciara, like I say, the young boy's body was removed from the scene here just before 4 o'clock this afternoon. And since then, I've saw several people come and lay flowers and pay their respects.